Let me ask you something. Where is your crypto right now? Is it in your wallet, or is it sitting on an exchange behind someone else's login, someone else's server, someone else's decision about whether you can withdraw it? Because just 2 years ago, $8 billion disappeared overnight. FTX, Celsius, BlockFi. The lesson was supposed to be really simple. Not your keys, not your crypto. And then everyone went right back to centralized exchanges anyway. I didn't. I switched to something that gives me centralized exchange level speed under 10 milliseconds execution with DEX level security. My keys, my funds, and no KYC. And I can trade up to 200x leverage on that platform. There are over 200 trading pairs, including meme coins, that get listed in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it step by step so you can decide for yourself. Let me explain to you why hybrid exchange matters before I walk you through the platform. The problem with centralized exchanges is that they hold your money and you don't own the keys, and we have already seen with FTX, BlockFi and Celsius what can happen in these situations. Especially when they're asking for KYC, having withdrawal limits, or just freezing your account. On the other hand, the traditional problem with DEX platform is that they are usually slow, have thin order books and bad liquidity. AlphaX has found a solution for that and created a hybrid model where you have off-chain order matching for centralized exchange speed and on-chain settlement for DEX security. Your funds are sitting in a smart contract on Arbitrum, BNB, Ethereum, or on any other chain and not on servers. You retain 100% control of your private keys at any given moment. Now let's get an account here if you don't have one already and sign up. There's different ways that you can sign up here. You can also use the mobile app if you really want to, but it is enough that you sign up with any email address. It can be even a disposable email address that you have all the time access to. There are some temporary email providers that will basically let you have an email box, let's say up to 6 months or something like that, and then you could just make a new account, make a new account, new email address, transfer everything over and rinse and repeat. And that way you can stay super anonym here with that platform. So here, or you can also use your Google account or use any type of wallet. You just choose the network and then you can log in. So let me log in quickly here. So now that I'm logged in my account, you can choose here different styles of markets that you want to trade in. You can go here to the traditional markets and just choose here any kind of spot pairing. And here again, I want to mention there are over 200 pairs that you can choose from. We have also futures markets here directly, USDT, perpetual contracts. We have event contracts. You can also do demo trading, which is really important if you are just starting out. You can use trading bots or also just go and copy trade me, for example. So here, I actually gonna tell this today my manager to sign me up for becoming a leader here. So and then from after tomorrow, when you see this video, after the date I published it, you will be able to also copy trade me directly here on the platform. They have also TradeFi options where you can trade gold, stocks, here for example gold. Then we have here crude oil. We have here Circle, Apple, Amazon, a lot of stocks, and they're adding more and more to that platform. As far as I know, you can also use MetaTrader 5 already. They have also now their own prediction market, similar to Polymarket, but I like definitely their market much better. It's more honest. And like I said, you have here also spot pairings where you can directly buy on spot. For example, if I want to go now here on the futures market and I want to trade Bitcoin and I want to use here a market order, so you should usually use a limit order, it's better. I can go here, leverage a little bit lower, 10x leverage, place here then my order. Oh wait, I have actually, oh no, I have money available. So I just want to say it. So let's say I use $27 here to go long. Okay, my market order was executed, as you can see here, slightly in profit already, but we still need to add a take profit and a stop loss. Really important when you are trading that you always set both, either quickly after you open the position already, in the best case before. So here in this case, I want to get out 67,000 that, like it's not even worth it. Let's do $66,000 and at market and stop loss trigger 64,800. Oh, really? Oh, sorry, 64,000. So that makes more sense. And then I just click on confirm and I say yes, spread protection, okay, confirmed. And here, as you can see, my trade continues running here in profit. Now, if I want to set a limit order, like I did now for my stop loss and my take profit, I just click here on limit. I enter the price. Now that we are trading for a long position, I have to make sure that the limit order is below the current price. That means I need to find a level where the price most likely is coming back down to, that this level will get tapped, my order will get filled, and then in the best case, the market turns around and will continue to go to the upside and make me a profit. In the worst case, it will go to the limit order where I have my stop loss, and then I will get stopped out. So here in this scenario, I could say I want a limit order here at that price. I want to use the remaining of my money that is still in that account. And then you see here, there is now there my limit order. So I'm gonna cancel this because I don't want this. Yeah, cancel this order. And I'm also gonna get out here in a moment out of my long position, because again, this is just example purposes to show you how the platform actually works. And as you can see, the execution was really, really fast. And I got not even here sandwiched on the spread. You know, my entry was more or less really to the nail down here. I clicked at 65,067 or something. So that is like a 0.01% spread that I was exposed here. So really, really, really low spread by entering here in a position. And that's really important when you are trading, that you have a really low spread and not end up with, let's say, $100 higher, let's say at the current price, and you're just at break even, but you clicked at 65,071, you know. So really, really important that you have a platform that has low spreads when you're executing orders and get the best price and the closest price to the moment where you actually open your position. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna set my stop loss in profit. So where is my stop loss now? Okay, that's fine. So my stop loss is fine. If we go back to 65,100, I'm gonna get stopped out. So why do I target $66,000? Because up here, as you can see, multiple times that level was hit. If I draw here a line, let's say I draw here a line, can clearly see that this level was multiple times tested here, and price failed the last couple of times to break above this. So if we're getting now another retest and price comes actually up here, I expect that it will not break again through this and just get another retest and will fall down. As you can see, my stop loss was triggered because price could not even hold above $65,100. Everything worked as intended, and I'm sure I made here a little bit of money. Let's see here. Where did it go? Yeah, so I made here 10 cents after all the fees, but it's fine. It was a really small position. But you get the point that I want to get across here. The execution is top notch. I got really quick in, I got really quick out, and the platform worked as intended, and I can take here my money at any given moment of the platform, and they cannot stop me from doing that. Now, beyond trading on AlphaX, you can also earn rewards here through the rewards hub. So if you click over here, depending on how much you're trading, they will actually give you money for it, or money back depending on your trading. You know, so you can get here, for example, $200, and here, if you trade with $120,000 in trading volume, which is actually not a lot. I give you an example. You trade with $10,000, you open a 12x leverage. There you go already. There you have already your $120,000 worth of volume, and there you get a $10 voucher. But they have so much more going on here. For example, if I go over here also with the referral program, you can become an affiliate and get up to 50% of commission by referring other people. So the platform actually allows you also to earn money if you bring other people to the platform that will trade under your specific link. And for that, you just click here on the affiliate program, apply for it, and then somebody off the team will reach out to you and then you can talk to them. Also here, VIP and fee rates, really, really important. If you have already VIP status on another exchange, you can contact them or also contact my team, and we can arrange that your VIP status will get matched if you move over from one exchange or from your current exchange to AlphaX all the way up to a level 6. So AlphaX can match that by either you reaching out to them, or the better way would be you contact my team and we're gonna do that through our manager. So, and this was a really quick walkthrough through the platform here. Like I said, demo trading is really, really nice, especially if you're just starting out. I can only recommend you to do at least 500 trades that you journal if you are not profitable. You know, don't use real money. Use demo trading for 500 trades. Look then if you're profitable or not. If you're not profitable, you can give all your trades to any AI, ChatGPT, Claude, it doesn't matter, and let it analyze where your mistake is and what you need to fix to become profitable. And we'll tell you like in a lightning second what your problem is. If it's like emotional control, risk management, or that you let losers run but cut winners too early, stuff like that, you know. So it's gonna tell you really, really fast. With a trading journal, it's really important that you journal all your trades. And like I said, if you are just starting out, like trading in demo mode is the best that you can do, because otherwise you will just burn a lot of money. Again, if you want to help out the channel, guys, I have a link in the description below and in the pin comment below. Sign up there. I have a $500 to $10,000 trading challenge coming up this week. So make sure that you are signing up as fast as possible. Join the Telegram group, and then I'm gonna help you and handhold you to go from $500 to $10,000. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe and like, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.